Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 288 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about honoring yourself by saying no when needed and gently letting go of what no longer serves you. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body supported and your mind settling. Imagine a gentle wave washing away obligations, expectations, or pressures that do not align with your well-being. Now, say to yourself, I honor my boundaries. It is okay to say no, and I release what does not serve me. With each breath, feel lighter and more centered. Allow yourself to embrace freedom in letting go. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of empowered calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.